Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows Security Center services turned off or missing fix in Windows 11 10. Open any browser, copy text from description and paste it. Download and extract the file. First extract.reg file. Merge the registry file. Open commands text file, run commands one by one. Find system type, click Start, Settings, click About. In my case system type is 64-bit. Extract 64 folder. Copy DLL file and paste it into C drive, Windows, SYSWOW64 folder. Type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Security Service, check service is running or not. If not running, start the service, click Apply, click OK. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.